Let everyone say whatever they want to say so that at least it helps us decide what we think of that person. So let them say whatever they want to say.
तापसी पन्नू एंड कंगना रनावत जो फिलहाल एक हीटेड वॉर ऑफ वर्ड्स में फंसे हुए हैं, को स्टार्स भी हो सकते थे, लेकिन उस वक्त द मेकर्स couldn't hit the bull's eye and सांड की आंख eventually starred तापसी पन्नू and भूमि पेडनेकर. A few days ago, producer-director Anurag Kashyap claimed in an interview that Saan Ki Aankh had been offered to Kangana first, but while she liked the script, she didn't want to share the limelight with another actor. Anurag had commented, when Saan Ki Aankh script was pitched by Tushar to Kangana, she said that the story is great, but what is the need for two characters? Make them one and young and I will do it. Kangana's team had responded to Anurag's claim almost immediately, as is their practice, and said, just a clarification. Some woke liberals are busy lying about Saan Ki Aankh. Kangana never met Anurag Kashyap regarding Saan Ki Aankh. Vikas Bell and the director came to her house. She suggested they hire senior actors. She sacrificed a good script, but their desperation ruined an opportunity of a good film about grandparents. And senior actresses lost out on work who need to be seen by the audiences in a new light. Shame on these jokers for spreading lies. But Taapsi's latest comments on Saan Ki Aankh are likely to act like a bull in a china shop and cause a further escalation in their ongoing verbal war. When asked during an interview whether she would ever work with Kangana again, given their current conflict, तापसी's response echoed Anurag Kashyap's earlier claims. तापसी ने कहा कि उन्होंने कंगना के साथ काम करने का मौका खो दिया क्योंकि she turned the film down. Last time when this was about to happen was for Saan Ki Aankh when Kangana was approached by the makers. I was told that it was turned down, saying that why do you need another actress when I am doing it? You can make it about one person. My director wasn't okay with changing the script. लेकिन तापसी आज भी होपफुल है कि हालात सुधर जाएंगे एंड शायद कहीं आगे जाके उन्हें एक साथ काम करने का मौका मिले. Taapsi, commenting on the issue, said, I would love to work with some brilliant co-actors. I have done so in Pink, Mission Mangal and Saan Ki Aankh. I'm positive of things becoming better. हम भी इसी उम्मीद में हैं कि after all this anger and bitterness, something positive will emerge. Perhaps things will change within the industry to make it a more welcoming place for people with various backgrounds and talents. और इस तरह का ugly conflict हमें दोबारा कभी नहीं देखना पड़ेगा.